Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at the SafeVent Pro 3.0, a modern car air vent organizer and storage accessory that claims to keep your essentials neat, secure, and within reach. It's marketed as a simple add-on that clips into your car's air vent and gives you extra storage for things like your phone, sunglasses, cards, or small gadgets, all without drilling or permanent installation. In real use, the SafeVent Pro 3.0 can be surprisingly handy for drivers who want a cleaner dash and fewer loose items sliding around. The design is compact and doesn't block airflow too badly, and there are slots and hooks that let you store multiple items neatly. For many people, this means less distraction while driving and a more organized cabin. Just remember that anything placed in front of an air vent can affect airflow direction, and on hot days may heat things like your phone more than you'd like. So, is the SafeVent Pro 3.0 worth it? If you're someone who values organization and minimal interior clutter, it's a small investment that can improve everyday convenience, especially if your car has limited storage. It's not a miracle gadget, but for what it does, it's simple, easy to install, and doesn't require tools. That said, if you prefer factory storage spots or get annoyed by anything blocking airflow, this might not be your ideal accessory.